Hello friends, here is TK Kundu from the Decks of Friendly Tutorial Home. In this class, I am going to discuss 20 different types of narration changes for practice of Madhyamik students. Friends, in my earlier classes, I have discussed the basics of narration changes, without which you will not be able to understand the narration changes because I have already discussed there the rules of narration changes. So I would request you before practicing such narration changes, you should go through my previous lesson. Then you practice this for your exam. So let me tell you one by one the example of narration changes for practice. The teacher said to him within inverted comma, "Where is your homework?" It is indirect speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be the teacher asked him where his homework was. Next, she said to me within inverted comma, "Did you have tea?" It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be she asked me if I had had tea. Next, he said to her, comma within inverted comma, "Let's go to the park." It's also in direct form. The answer in indirect form will be he suggested to her that they should go to the park. Next, he says, comma, within inverted comma, "How happy I am." It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be he exclaims with joy that he is very happy. Next, he said within inverted comma, "May God help you." It is also in direct speech. The answer in indirect speech will be he wished that God might help him. Next, I said to the boy, comma, inverted comma, start, "Where do you live?" Inverted comma, close. The answer will be in indirect speech. I asked the boy where he lived. Next, within inverted comma, "How splendid," said the stranger. It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be the stranger exclaimed that it was splendid indeed. You can also tell the stranger exclaimed with joy that it was splendid indeed. Next, she said to him, comma, within inverted comma, "Let's have some ice cream." It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be she proposed to him that they should have some ice cream. I said to him within inverted comma, "When will you do it?" It is in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be I asked him when he would do it. Next, I said to her, comma, within inverted comma, "Is there any hope for me?" It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be I asked her if there was any hope for me. Next, she said to me, comma, within inverted comma, "Did you write to me before?" It's also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be she asked me if I had written to her earlier. Next, I said to her, comma, within inverted comma, "Can you wash this suit?" It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be I asked her if she could wash that suit. Next, he said to me, comma, within inverted comma, "How did you get all that money?" It's also in direct speech. The answer in indirect speech will be he asked me how I had got all that money. Next, they said to her, comma, within inverted comma, are you not afraid? It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be they asked her if she was not afraid. You said to him, comma, within inverted comma, why have you failed? It is also in direct form. In indirect form, the answer will be you asked him why he had failed. Next, you said to me, comma, within inverted comma, do you hear me? It is also in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be you asked me if I heard you. Next, he asked me how I did the work. It is in indirect speech. In direct speech, the answer will be he said to me, comma, within inverted comma, how do you do the work? Next, I asked Debu if he was willing. It is also in indirect speech. In direct speech, the answer will be I said to Debu, comma, within inverted comma, are you willing? Next, I wanted to know if he needed the suit. It is also in indirect speech. The answer in direct speech will be I said to him, comma, within inverted comma, do you need the suit? Next, the teacher said to his student, comma, within inverted comma, go to your seat. It is in direct speech. In indirect speech, the answer will be the teacher ordered his student to go to his seat. So, guys, these are 20 examples of narration changes I have discussed only for the practice of Madhyamik students. If they are able to know such narration changes and its rules properly, they will be able to face any narration changes in the examination. Thanks for listening to me. Tata. See you again.